Go to this PC. Now in the pendrive you want to boot. First need to format the inserted pendrive. After format, install the UMI software given in the description. Then open it. Click I agree. Select the disk you want to boot. Select the Windows. It will be in the last. You need to click the single Windows Vista 7, 8, 10 installer. Then you need to install the ISO given in the description and browse it where you have the ISO. Then click it and click open. Now click on create. Click on yes. It will do all the functions for you. It will take some time. It has booted our pendrive. Next we need to click on next. Then click on no. Then click on finish. We have booted our pendrive. Our next video will be how to install the Windows in laptop or PC from the bootable pendrive, what we have just done.